Hello, this is Turker from AUDAC. In this video, we are going to talk about the widgets which are available in the AUDAC Touch Plus license. As you know, with your email address, you can create countless Touch accounts with different usernames. The AUDAC Touch Plus license is assigned to your username, not your email address. Plus license enhances the end user's Touch experience by adding additional functionalities and more personalization. Let's look at those widgets together on an example dashboard. So we have clock widgets, we have custom image widgets, so you can upload your logo or a fancy GIF file. We have open dashboard widgets based on your application. Let's say it's a hotel application. You can jump between different dashboards, meeting room or lobby or whenever you want. Then we have the input button. So instead of having a long list of inputs, you can basically select your input with a button. Then we have fade volume button. So instead of playing with the slider, you can go to desired volume level with a single button in seconds. Then we have play mode button. Play mode button is for MMP40 if you want to play your file continuously or for a single time. Now let's look at a real dashboard together, shall we? So here we are in the Plus license example dashboard. Let's start with the clock widgets. You can use AM, PM or 24-hour, both possible. Then we have fade volume button. Here we have an MTX48 volume slider, and on the right hand side we have the desired volume levels as fade volume buttons. When the volume is on the desired level, it's highlighted. So let's go to half volume, for example. It's 5 dB per second right now. I set it like this, and on the MTX you can also see it. And let's go to full volume. As you can see, it's highlighted in red when it's moving. When it's reached the target, it's highlighted in yellow. And the next one is open dashboard widgets. So you can jump between different dashboards based on your application. Let's click here, another dashboard, and back again. It's easy. And the next one is input button. So we have a list here again from the same MTX48 zone 1. When we click on the source, you can see it's changing on the front panel and also on the list. Really simple. Then we have a play mode button for MMP40. So when you click, you can change between single play or continuous play. And then we have image widget. So you can upload your logo or a fancy GIF. They will all stored in cloud. Let's go and edit. Let's see how to upload an image. So once you select it and go down, you can see upload an image. Select your logo or GIF and then save it. That's it. And let's check for the input button. When you select it, you need to select the output, the zone, to which input that button will go. And you can make it read-only, and optionally you can add a label. Then open dashboard. When you click, you can select to which dashboard you want to go from here, and optionally you can add a label. That's it. And fade volume button. So basically click here, select the output to zone 1, then the desired volume, and the desired fade speed, and optional if you want to add a label as well. And finally, clock widgets. So once you select it, here it's optional to say change between AM, PM to 24-hour time.